And now we get to tie it all together where we're going to write and balance chemical equations. So they're going to give you the names and you have to come up with the chemical formula, and then you're going to write it as an equation and balance it. So this says we have a solution, meaning that it is aqueous, of a lead 2 nitrate. So I'm going to put lead 2 nitrate. Now, I often will do this kind of somewhere else where I've got lead is 2 plus, and then nitrate is NO3. Maybe you've got this one memorized by now, maybe you don't, but nitrate is NO3 minus. If you don't, again, you're going to your formula sheet or your information booklet to figure it out. So we've got NO3 minus, then we do our cross check, or what did I call it? Crisscross, NO3, and you bring the 2 down. And then when you're writing it in an equation, you want to include your states. Okay, that is getting mixed with a solution, again, of sodium iodide. Sodium is a 1 plus, iodine, I believe, is a 1 minus, but let's just double check. Yeah, so iodide is a 1 minus, so that's going to be an NaI, and again, it's aqueous. Goes to produce solid lead 2 iodide. So lead 2, and then it's iodide. So again, it's I minus. So if I write that one, it's going to be PbI2, but this time it's solid. And then sodium nitrate. Sodium being 1 plus, nitrate being 1 minus. You get NaNO3. Again, it's a solution, so I'm going to put aqueous. Then you want to make sure you balance. So starting with my leads, I have 1 lead on the left, I have 1 lead on the right, I have 1 sodium on the left, I have 1 sodium on the right. So I started with my metals. Let's move to our non-metals. Maybe I just look at the iodine first. So this is polyatomic. It makes things confusing. It's got an oxygen in there. So let's move to our iodine. Iodine, I have 1 on the left and 2 on the right. So I'm going to put a 2 on the sodium iodide because then that's going to balance. That had a ripple effect of changing my sodium. So I'm going to go back and put a 2 over here. So now my sodiums are balanced, my iodines are balanced. This made me have 2 nitrates, but that's okay. I needed 2 nitrates. And then my leads, just double checking, are good to go. Awesome. Pause the video, give the next one a go. Ooh, this one, sulfur. So if they tell you what it is, you get to just take it as a gift. So solid sulfur is more than diatomic. It's whatever you would call that. Okay, is burning in oxygen gas. I am including oxygen. Oxygen is diatomic. So then I'm going to give it a gas, and then it's going to make sulfur dioxide, also a gas. And then we just want to balance it. So looking at the sulfurs, I have 8 over here. I'm going to put an 8 over here to balance it. That gave me 16 oxygens. So then I have to put an 8 with the oxygen as well. Awesome.